The next step is called Clave Sencilla, simple version of the clave. We start from a basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We do half a basic to prepare, we do patineta, and we come back to the original point. And then 5, 6, 7 to finish. Basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, Clave Sencilla. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, together. Let's start from the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Half a basic to prepare. 1, 2, 3. We stay in the diagonal and we do patineta with our right foot. 5, 6, 7. We join our feet and we cross back to the point of origin. To finish with another half basic. 5, 6, 7. And we go 1, 2, prepare. 5, 6, 7. Cross. 1, 2, 3. Basic 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Clave Sencilla. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic 1, 2, 3. Clave Sencilla. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, with music.